What are the key benefits of green roofs? A departure from traditional roofing materials, green roofing brings a slice of nature right on top of our homes. It's not just a statement, it's a commitment to our planet. Green roofs offer numerous benefits. Improved air quality. The plants on a green roof absorb harmful pollutants and release oxygen, improving the air quality around your home. Stormwater management. They absorb rainwater, reducing runoff and the risk of flooding. Biodiversity promotion. Green roofs can provide habitats for a variety of birds, insects, and other wildlife. Noise reduction. The layer of vegetation can help reduce noise pollution. Aesthetically pleasing. Let's not forget, they look fantastic. A personal touch of green in urban concrete jungles.